Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla, here to give you some variations on the Matador, which is this move, which is also known as a cape schmear. Okay, so what we're going to do is the first variation of the three is you're going to do the Matador, but you're going to add a little beat, and you're going to take the hip. So I'm going to take this on the right side, and I'm just tapping it on the upper thigh. So beat, around, beat, around. And you can throw the hip into it with a little beat there. The second one is you're going to take and do the hip circle with the Matador. So we're going to take the hips, and as I circle around to the left, up and around to the left, I'm taking my hips forward, schmear to the back, and out to the left. Out, forward, around. So it's just a half semicircle with around, around. And then the third variation is we're going to take this with a turn. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to start, and I'm going to pivot on my right. I'm going to do half a turn. So I'm going to start the Matador on the right side, and as I come around, I'm going to lift the left leg, and I'm going to take this to the back and come back down to the right side. Now to get back, I'm going to do reverse of that. So I'm going to bring that left leg up again. Make sure you point your toe. Bring this up and come back down to the right. So around, down, and that's just to the right side. You can do this other side as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed these variations of the Matador. So enjoy those. I'm Shay of Hip the Hoopla. Rock on, peace out. If you didn't already have a chance to check out the Matador, check out that video, and I'll link to that down below. All right, thanks so much. Comment, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for spending your time watching and learning. Really appreciate it. I've been Shay of Hip the Hoopla. Rock on. Peace out. Bye.